What's going on? It's Bapetown. I don't think they ready. Here with another video. Now coming back from Thailand, and if y'all can remember, your boy's place was extra out of there. Looking at the spot now, stuff is organized and it's looking a whole lot better. Cleaning up, I found out I do not know what's inside these Happy New Year's bags Bape drops at the top of every year. So let's look inside these bad boys together. Alright, where did I put them Happy New Year's bags? Oh yeah, I still got these bad boys. If any of my Bapetown peeps still looking for the Bapester pastels, I still got a few available. I got a few pinks, and I think I got a few blues too. Now, the thing about these Happy New Year's bags is, they're kinda like mystery boxes. You don't know what you're gonna get, you don't know what the designs are. Alright. Now every year, they drop 5 bags. Kids, juniors, ladies, men's, and the premium. Today we'll be looking at the popular ones. The men's bag and the premium bag. Let's see what the men's bag looking like. Okay, off top we got a jacket. Got a nice little weight to it too. Got that Ape head logo on the front. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh damn, this bad boy clean. So one of the items you get with the men's bag is this clean bomber jacket. Is there anything on the back? Nope. Okay. Simple, clean, black bomber jacket. Uh-oh, hold up. We got some side pockets on the inside. Wait a sec, this bad boy reversible? Hold up. Oh damn, it is. A reversible bomber jacket and a Happy New Year bag? Okay, you can switch it up on them. Black bomber one day, navy the next. And look at that, you got the Bape style logo stitched all throughout the jacket. The jacket alone is already the cost of the bag. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, let's see what else we get. So obviously we get the bag. Plain black backpack. Got Bape and gray in the front. It's alright I guess. I'm guessing they spent all the design budget on the jacket. So the rest of the items are inside the backpack. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got a white Bape tee. And we got this gray pullover. Alright, let's look at this tee. Black ape head, a bathing ape right under that. What else we got? Yeah, I'm guessing that's it. Not too surprising. Usually these Happy New Year's bags, tees are really basic. Now to the pullover. Got the ape head logo on the front. You got a bathing ape in the college font. Got a Bape patch at the bottom. It got a pretty good thickness to it. It's actually not that bad. I will rock this. Alright, the Happy New Year's men bag. You get the bag, the white tee, the gray pullover, and this reversible bomber jacket. In my opinion, the bomber jacket and the pullover is where it's at. What you guys think? Alright, on to the Bape premium bag. This bad boy got some weight to it. Let's see what this thing got. Damn, we got a first camo puffer jacket. Yeah, this bad boy clean. I like this. Got the first camo all throughout. Oh, okay, we got a bathing ape at the bottom of the jacket. Oh yeah, this gonna keep you warm for sure. Especially here in Japan, it just started snowing. Alright, so of course we get a bag. Now this being a premium, much better design. We got that Bape check pattern in the beige colorway. For me, a bit too flashy. This design was hot in the streets, because it reminded a lot of people of Burberry. Alright, I wonder what kind of stuff they got in here. Oh, okay, we get a cap, Bape on the front, got the ape head logo on the back. Feels embroidered. Okay, both embroidered. Oh, okay, we get a color camo navy, Bathing tee, a main lineup tee, that's clean. And what I mean about main lineup tee is Bape's main lineup is the Bape College, Big Ape Head, Bathing, and the Busyworks tee. And do we get a hoodie or something? Okay, we get a crew neck. This is the Big Ape Head by Colors design. I'm guessing that's it. So in the premium, you get the by Colors crew neck, the color camo navy by Bathing tee, Bape cap, and the first camo puffer jacket. What y'all think about the Happy New Year's premium bag? This first camo puffer jacket in the Bathing tee? and clean. Now throughout the video, I'm pretty sure some of y'all was thinking, what are these blue boxes over here? Well, for 2022, Bape has done something real special for this year's Chinese New Year's. The 2022 Chinese New Year Bape flower pot. Beautifully crafted, you can see that the all over Bape camo is in that calligraphy style. On the inside we have an ape head logo, and on the back we have a Bathing Ape. This thing is heavy duty. Now I'm not too sure if this was an Asia exclusive, but the only way you can get this is if you spend goman, which is equivalent to about 500 USD per transaction. And here in Bapetown, we got quite a few. So to you guys, the dope people of Bapetown, I'm giving away 3. This is how you enter. When this video hit 222 likes, y'all see what I did there? 222, it's the year 2022.
Shut your stupid.
Subscribe to the channel and comment, Year of the Tiger. Only on Bapetown do you get the latest and greatest on everything a Bathing Ape. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!
Woo!